So, Intel finally retired the famous Core i branding or the Core i series. So, no more Core i3, no more Core i5, no more Core i7 now. Meet the new Intel Core Ultra lineup. But what's the difference between Core Ultra 3, 5, 7, and 9? Let's break it down under 3 minutes. Core Ultra. Core Ultra is the entry-level option. It's designed for web browsing, office work, online classes, watching videos, and light multitasking. Perfect if you just need a fast everyday laptop without spending too much money on. Core Ultra 5. Core Ultra 5 is where most people should start. It handles heavy multitasking, programming, Photoshop, light video editing, casual gaming for students and office workers. This is probably the best value. Core Ultra 7. Now think about a much more powerful processor. Core Ultra 7 is built for content creators and professional gamers. Great for 4K video editing, 3D designing, streaming, large programming project, high-end gaming with a dedicated GPU. It offers more cores, high clock speeds, and better overall performance. Now, Core Ultra 9. This is Intel flagship consumer CPU. Core Ultra 9 is made for serious workloads. Think about professional video production, AI development, software compiling, complex simulation, and heavy rendering like 3D Blender. If time is money, Core Ultra 9 saves both. What's new with Core Ultra? Unlike all older Intel Core processor, Core Ultra isn't just new name. Many Core Ultra processors include a built-in NPU for AI acceleration, Intel ARC integrated graphics or Intel Arc,